Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I am going to start one new series of one most important topic. That topic is guys, JVM architecture. So before starting our Java concept, first we should know what is the architecture of JVM. Guys, why? So I will explain everything end to end. I will show also what is our agenda for this complete what our topic. So what the concept we are going to learn in this what series. I will explain one by one. First I will show what all the topic we are going to cover in this series game. So guys, before starting this JVM architecture, all the content, first I would like to tell you one thing here. So guys, I have started one Java online class. Okay. So guys, in this Java online class, I am going to cover all the core concept of core Java. Right? That course duration is 3 months, and I am giving to assurance 100% for job assistance. So if you will complete this all the topic what we have in the core Java, then I will start a Spring Boot, microservices, REST, and one database. As per the client requirement, we should know any one database, just like a Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, Postgre, or MongoDB. Any one database, if you know, then you can what create one project. But this is the initial topic guide in core Java, because whatever you're going to develop in your project, that main thing you should know first core Java concept, right? So exception handling, multi-threading, collection, Java 8 feature, oops concept, each and every project we are going to implement this concept only. So guys, that's why I thought first I will give hands-on what guidance on respective topic. So once this course will complete, then I will start advanced topic. So you should know Spring Boot, microservices, REST, any database, or different type of things are there. So we should have one testing tool just like JUnit, Mockito, Cucumber. You should know so many things are there guys. First we'll cover all the core Java concept. Then you will come to know all the basic things. Then you will stand in such a position, then you can create a project, because all the concept whatever you're going to implement in the project level, so this concept only we are going to use. Correct guys? So guys, please keep in mind, so already I have started this course. So timing guide 7:30 a.m. morning to 8:30 what morning. Okay. So guys, this 1 hour completely I will give the course content or as well as code base guide. Main focus is how we're going to implement what our code. So main thing guys, we should take care about the code first. Along with I will also explain what all the content we have, all the respective topic we have, means theoretically as well as practically. But we'll more focus on the coding part guys. Right? So guys, please keep in mind. So already I started. The candidate who is interested to join this call, please ping me on the WhatsApp number or directly you can call me as well. Okay guys? So that's the main update for you all people. Now I'm going to start guys. That main topic, what is JVM architecture? That guy JVM architecture is very important. What guy? This JVM architecture is very important for our what Java, because guys, if you know this JVM architecture, then your what thinking power or understanding power, flow of code will become very easy guys. So guys, this complete series nowhere related to the programming. This complete series nowhere related to the programming. I will explain internal structure. Okay? I will discuss internal structure of JVM architecture, which is very essential for every developer who is going to work in Java development. What I mentioned guys, so guys, this JVM architecture is very essential to everyone who is going to develop any Java code. Because if you understand JVM architecture, then come to know what is the flow of execution. Correct, guys? So guys, every Java developer should know about JVM architecture. It's very basic concept, guys. Because if you know this architecture, then it will become very easy to understand the Java execution flow of any implemented code in our project. Correct, guys? So guys, if you concentrate complete playlist, then you will stand after watching all the video in such a position where you can create your own JVM as well, guys. So already Java has created, Java people has given JVM architecture, but if you will concentrate entire playlist, what I am going to explain in this series, so you will stand in such a position, so by yourself you can create your JVM as well, guys. So I am giving assurance, I am giving confidence to you all people. Only the thing is that you need to concentrate. Okay, so entire playlist one by one, because in single video I am not able to complete all the concept of JVM architecture. So guys, I will take 6 to 7 video for completion of this entire JVM architecture. So guys, what are the things I will cover in this complete series of this playlist? So I am going to explain one by one. First, concentrate, guys. See, guys, JVM architecture in Java. So what is JVM architecture? What is the importance of this JVM architecture in our Java implementation? That guy, main motto, we need to cover all the concept. So guys, first thing what I am going to cover, that is virtual machine. What is virtual machine? Why, guys, I am going to start from virtual machine? Because you can see JVM, Java virtual machine. Java itself have a one virtual machine, right? That virtual machine, how they are architect in Java, that thing, guys, you should know. Okay? Java already given one virtual machine. So that virtual machine, how they have implemented, how they are architect, that core concept you should know first. Then, guys, you can create your own JVM as well. Guys, I am giving assurance, I am giving confidence to you all people. If you are going to concentrate entire playlist, then you will come to know, yes, JVM architecture is become very easy, guys. Only thing is that you need to concentrate. In most of the interview as well, guys, they may ask, some interviewer, they may ask, what do you mean by JVM architecture? What do you mean by class loader? So many things are there, guys. What all are the various memory area in JVM? All the concept, guys, I am going to cover one by one. So guys, please be concentrated, please be focused. Each and every point I am going to explain very briefly. So guys, this complete series, almost 7 to 8 video, around 10 video might be there, guys. So we'll cover all video end to end. This series, guys, mostly we have what? Theoretical parts, nowhere related to the programming. Some program will be there, I will explain as well. So guys, so first is virtual machine. So guys, if you are hearing here what is virtual machine, then you should know types of virtual machine as well. So guys, you can see here hardware based virtual machine, application based virtual machine. So guys, you should know what is the hardware based virtual machine and what is the application based virtual machine. So then next topic is basic architecture of JVM. I will draw one diagram in front of you, then I will explain what is the basic architecture of JVM, how all the concept, how all the component is correlating each other. So all things, guys, I will explain with one diagram. Then guys, next topic is class loader subsystem. In our class loading, during the class loading, once you're going to create class, once you're going to create an object, once you're going to execute your class, that time, guys, so many things happening background. So many things happening inside the background, guys. So what all the things going to happen in background internally, that is loading, linking, initialization, all the things I will explain, guys. Then guys, next topic is types of class loaders. So guys, how many types of class loader? So bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, application class loader. So guys, all the class loader I will explain one by one. When we need application class loader, why we need application class loader, what is extension class loader, why you need extension class loader, what is bootstrap class loader, why it needs in Java, all these three class loader, all the things guys, all the topic I will explain one by one. Okay, very depth guys. So if you will cover all the topic in my this channel, so definitely you will become more confident guy regarding JVM architecture. Guys, the next topic is how class loader works. So after knowing the things, all the class loader, then you should know also how this class loader works. Correct guys? Then guys, what is the need of customized class loader? Suppose if you are going to create some customized class loader, how it will work? What is the need? Then guys, I will explain some pseudocode for customized class loader. Then guys, I will explain next most important topic in JVM architecture, various memory area in JVM. So there are all the 5 types of memory area we have in the JVM guys. So method area, heap area, stack area, PC register, native method stack. So how all this memory area it's working internally in our Java implementation, in our code. So all the area guys, all the memory area I will explain one by one in front of you. Okay, then guys you will come to know, yes, all these things we should know, then you will perfect in JVM architecture. Then you're going to perfect to what, create your own JVM, right? So guys, then next is JVM. So next is guys execution engine. So what is execution engine and what types of the interpreter and JIT compiler inside that? That thing also are most important things what we should know. Guys, the next topic is Java native interface, JNI. Correct guys? So you know very well, right? In hash code implementation, right? JNI concept is coming, right? So I will explain guys how under the hash code implementation this JNI concept is coming. Guys, the next topic is complete architecture diagram of JVM. First I will show only the diagram what the component we have, right? This place guys, you can see here basic architecture of JVM. This place I will show architect one diagram, but last guy you will come to know all the component how we are going to use while creating the JVM, right? How the Java people have architect this Java virtual machine. So guys, this is our total complete what topic what we are going to cover in JVM architecture guys. So guys, without any delay we'll start first what virtual machine. Correct guys? So our main topic is first what is virtual machine. Correct guys? Then we'll come to know, then we'll understand what all those types of virtual machine. Correct guys? See, first I will open this thing. Correct guys? So see guys, first we should know what is virtual machine, right? What is virtual machine? So this is more things in this JVM architecture is throttle only, right? Programming is very less. So guys, please be concentrated. If you know the throttle part, then come to know while implementing your Java code. So guys, the topic is virtual machine. So guys, the name refers as a name. It refers as a virtual, means which is not a physical, right? Virtual means guys, virtual means the thing which don't have the physical existence, right? That is guys virtual. So guys, you heard so many times, right? Virtual machine, virtual classroom, virtual world, virtual memory, virtual space. So guys, this is not a physically existent. All the things what I have told you. So guys, virtual machine, right? Virtual classroom. Also going to attend online, right? That's virtual, right? Okay, that means virtual memory, not a physical memory, right? Not a existence. This is not a physically existence here. Virtual space. This is not a virtual. This is not a physical space. Correct, okay? So mainly the thing is that which is not a physically existence in our real world. That is called virtual. Correct, okay? Also, guys, in terms of definition, see. As an example, we can understood. Suppose in your system, in your laptop, right? In your system, also you have got one calculator, right? You have one calculator, and same thing, guys. Physically, also you have one calculator, right? So what the calculator you have physically, that have some weight, that have some dimension, yes or no? That some have colors. Why? Because this calculator belongs to physical. Yes or no? But virtually guys, how it come to virtually? Suppose same calculator if you have in your system that doesn't have any weight, that doesn't have any what? Color, that doesn't have any weight, that doesn't have any dimension. It looks like only appearance, right? It looks like only appearance, right? You can see guys, if you can write here calculator, right? Calculator. See guys, this is guys one calculator, right? This guy you can see, this is one calculator, right? This is a virtual calculator, right? This is virtual calculator. It doesn't have any weight, it doesn't have any color, it's only appearance, right? It's only appearance. But same thing guy, once we have this physical appearance, when you have physical existing calculator, that time you can see that has some weight, that has some color. Yes or no? So guys, that the example guy. Correct guy? See guy, car racing game. Car racing game guy, if you see that car, if you're going to, you can see some car racing, you know, so many different type of tools are there by which you can race on the system, right? Race on the system, you can see. But same car guy, in some time, if you're going to physically also, you're going to fight some race to the car guy. Yes or no? So guys, what are the things we are going to accumulate with the system? That guy, with the system, that is called guy virtual. But same thing if available in the physically existence, physically appearance, that time it is not a virtual. I hope you understood guy what I want to explain you. Great guy. So guy, in single term also we can define guy what is the virtual machine guy. So as the definition guy, what is virtual machine? I'm writing here guy, what is virtual machine? Definition of what? Virtual machine. Guys, see definition of virtual machine guy. See, a software guy, you can understand in that way. A software, what? A software that that simulate or simulation. A software that simulation of a machine which can perform like a what? Physical machine. Yes or no guys? What I explained, same thing I'm writing here, right? Called what guy? Virtual machine. Clear guy? So what I mentioned here? Guy, what I mentioned here? Definition of virtual machine is software that simulation of a machine, right, which can perform like a physical machine, called virtual machine. Okay, that is the perfect definition for understanding. If you want to know, if anybody asks, hey, what do you mean a virtual machine, that time you can tell to this definition to respective people, they can understand very easily. So what is software that simulation of a machine which can perform like a physical machine, called virtual machine. So guys, that is the definition, guys, which is not having physical existence. Simple thing also. In other words guys, we can understand in such a way. Suppose in others word, what guys, which is not having physical existence, right? Okay. In other words, we can say that. In other words, we can say what? We can say that which is not having physical existence, known as guys what? Guys, known as what? Virtual machine, correct? Yes, no, guys, that is the our definition. But guys, also we should know what is the example for this virtual machine, guys. So guys, you can see first example, guys, what we can say here. So guys, calculator, right? Calculator, right? Okay, calculator in mobile or in system. Okay, yes or no? Mobile or in system. And guys, second example also you can understand car racing, right? Guys, car racing game or in system. Okay, guys, this is perfect example of our virtual machine. So guys, I hope you understood these two things. Guys, if anybody, anytime, if they ask what is this thing, then you will come to know guys very easily. So what is the exact definition of virtual machine? So guys, after knowing this thing, virtual machine, then we should know what all those types. This one guys, I mentioned here virtual machine. So I have done what is the virtual machine, guys. Then guys, our next content here, type of virtual machine. What is the type of virtual machine, guys? So guys, see, then we should know what all the types of this virtual machine. So guys, see. So guys, see, first I will let here virtual machine, right? Virtual machine. So guys, this virtual machine we have two types here. Okay, this virtual machine we have two types. So guys, what all those two types here? What all those two types? You just listen carefully, guys. I will tell you what all these two types here. So guys, first type of virtual machine is, you know, hardware based virtual machine. Already I mentioned guys this place. Already I mentioned here hardware based virtual machine. But you should know what which hardware based virtual machine get. So first is what? Hardware based VM, right? Yes, no guys. This is guy first hardware based virtual machine, right? Guy, next is what? Guy, next is application based. Right? Application based virtual machine. Correct, guys? So guys, we have two types of virtual machine. So guys, first is hardware based virtual machine and next is what? Application based virtual machine. Then guys, we need to understand what is the hardware based virtual machine and what is the application based virtual machine. Guys, one thing also I would like to tell you. So guys, hardware based virtual machine also we can know, guys, or you can say what means the name of hardware based virtual machine. Also you can say that is system based virtual machine. What is guys? System based virtual machine. What guys? System based virtual machine. You need to understand in such a way, guys, because hardware based virtual machine is just same like as system based virtual machine, and guys, process based virtual machine just like that, you know, process based virtual machine, guys. What guys? Process based virtual machine. Okay, so guys, this application based virtual machine just like a process based virtual machine, guys. Process based virtual machine. Okay, so guys, our main agenda is we should know what is hardware based virtual machine and what is application based virtual machine. That same like a system based virtual machine and process based virtual machine. Guys, for that understanding purpose, we need to start first what? Hardware based virtual machine. Correct, guys? That is hardware, right? Hardware based Good guy. So guys, now we need to understand what is hardware based virtual machine. Good guy. Okay. So guys, see. First, I will explain some diagram. Then I will explain this theoretical part. See guys, what is hardware based virtual machine guys? So see, I am going to explain with diagram. With this diagram, will come to know very easily guys. Guys, this is a system. This is a machine. This is a physical machine. I will explain one by one. Don't worry. This is the thing I am going to partition. Okay, this is the isolated. Okay, logical system. This is a logical system which is separated in our physical machine. I will explain here one by one. Don't worry. So guys, see. So guys, this is our one physical system. This is our one physical machine. This is our one physical machine. Okay. This is our one physical machine. I am writing here. This is our physical machine. Okay. This is our physical machine. Okay. Okay. Guys, this is our several. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is our several logical system. Guys. This is our several logical system, or this is our what several. I can mention it there so you can remember all the game. So this is our what several logical system. Our several logical system. Okay. In this guy, this is our logical partition 1. This is guy our partition 1. This is our partition 2 guy. This is our partition 2. Just like that, this is partition. This is partition N. Yes or no? Okay, this is our partition N. Also, you can say this is logical 1, logical 2. Okay, this is our what logical system 1. Okay, okay, this is our logical system. What logical system? Logical system 2. In same way, this is our logical system N, right? Logical system N. Okay. So guys, what you understood here? So we have got one physical machine, right? This is a hardware based virtual machine. So for the hardware based virtual machine, guys, we should have one physical machine. In that physical machine, we are going to what isolate different logical system. So let's see the logical system 1, logical system 2, logical system N. Guys, so you can see guys, this is the partition of logical system 1, and this is 2, this is N. Guys, so guys, what will be the help? What will be the benefit for this hardware based virtual machine? Guys, so guys, you can see in same machine, in same system, you will have multiple logical system, and each and every logical system has interdependent. Not guys independent. Sorry, I misunderstood. So not interdependent, it's a independent. So all the logical system are what isolated, separated, right guys? So guys, what will be the benefit? What will be the advantage for this hardware based virtual machine, guys? So guys, so effective utilization, guys. So guys, what will be the benefit, guys, for hardware based virtual machine? It provides guys several logical system on the same computer, guys, with a strong isolation, correct? So guys, hardware based virtual machine provides the several logical system on the same computer with a strong isolation from each other. Yes or no, guys? You can see, guys, we have one physical machine, right? But we have multiple logical systems are there. Yes or no, guys? I hope you understand it, right? Guys, it's very simple, but you need to understand what is the virtual machine, what all those types of the virtual machine. So the first type is the hardware based virtual machine. So what is hardware based virtual machine, guys? So this hardware based virtual machine provides the one what? It provides the several logical system on the same computer with the same, that means same machine, with a strong isolation from each other. Correct, guys? So guys, the main advantage. So guys, the main advantage of hardware based virtual machine is what? You know. So hardware resources sharing and improved utilization of hardware resources. I will write, guys, what is the advantage? Advantage of what? Advantage of hardware based virtual machine. Okay, that thing you need to understand, guys. We need to know, because anybody or your knowledge sake, suppose no one is asking, but your knowledge sake also, this is very important. You need to understand what is the hardware based virtual machine. And also, guys, you need to understand what is the benefit, what is the advantage of hardware based virtual machine, guys. So let's see, I am going to write what is the advantage of hardware based virtual machine, guys. So let's see the main advantage, guys, main advantage of what? Hardware based virtual machine is, you know what? The main advantage of hardware machine is what? Guys, hardware is hardware resources sharing, guys, sharing and effective utilization guys, of hardware resources. Okay, so guys, that is the main advantage, main benefit. The main advantage of hardware based virtual machine is what? Hardware resources sharing and effective utilization of hardware resources, guys. Or you can say, guys, what? The main advantage of hardware based virtual machine is what? Hardware resources sharing and effective utilization in complete process. Utilization entire process. Okay, that thing also you will come to know. You can understand in such a way. So the main advantage of hardware based virtual machine is what? Hardware resources sharing and effective utilization in entire process. Correct, guys? So guys, that thing you need to understand. So guys, then you need to understand also what is the example of hardware based virtual machine. Yes or no, guys? What will be the example of hardware based virtual machine, guys? Example of what? Hardware virtual machine. Correct, guys? So let's see. You know that KVM, that is a kernel based virtual machine that used in the Linux. Okay, that is KVM. What is it? KVM. KVM means, guys, you know, that is kernel based VM, guys. Kernel based VM. This is a one example, guys. Guys, then second example also you need to know. Guys, what is the second example? So guys, second example. So guys, you know VMware, guys. You heard the name, right? VMware. Correct? This is also, guys, one virtual based virtual machine. This is also a hardware based virtual machine, guys. That is, guys, VMware, right? VMware, guys. That is also one example. And guys, also you can use in the cloud computing, right? Cloud computing, this what hardware based virtual machine you can use here. That is a cloud computing. Okay, these are the guy, and also guy, you know, might be you heard, might be you know this thing guy, Gen. Okay, that is also one type of what hardware based virtual machine guy. So guy, this is complete what information about what our virtual machine of hardware based, that is called a system based virtual machine. Okay, and also guy, you need to understand, so that hardware based virtual machine mainly associated with admin role guy. Okay, that hardware based virtual machine also I can detail this thing guy. So mainly hardware based virtual machine is associated with what guy? Admin role guy. Admin role, not guy programmer role guy. Not programmer role guy. That thing also keep in mind guy frequently guy, because this guy mainly hardware based virtual machine is associated with admin role, not the programmer role guy. Correct guy? That guy also you can understand. Admin role means guy. Admin role means what? Admin role means guy, I will tell you. Admin role. Okay. So guys, admin role means what do you know? System admin. Yes or no guys? That is system admin. System admin. Or okay, you can sometimes also you heard server admin. Yes or no guys? So guys, that the things you can frequently use in your what? In a hardware based virtual machine. Correct guys? I hope you understood all the things what I explained here, but one by one. This is sufficient knowledge guys if you understand about hardware based virtual machine. Okay. So guys, then next is guys what? Application based virtual machine guys. That is guys, next is guys application based virtual machine. Correct guy? So guy, what is application based virtual machine? That guy is very important guy. That thing what I'm going to here, what I'm going to discuss now. So let's see, application based, also you can say software based, process based virtual machine. So guys, this is the name of the application based virtual machine. So also you can guess at software based. Okay, software based. That is guy process based. What is guy? Process based. Guy, that is the name. Same name you can say. Process based virtual machine guy. So the application based virtual machine, software based virtual machine, process based virtual machine. This is the name of the application based virtual machine only. Right guy? I have understood. So guys, see, the virtual machine guy, the virtual machine act as runtime engine guy to run a particular programming what language application guy. So guy, one thing you need to understand also, what is the VM, right? What is the VM guy? What is the VM? Means what is the virtual machine guy? Right guy? So what is the application based or process based guy? This is deals with the guy programmer. Okay, this is associated with the programmer role, not associated with the admin role guy. This application based virtual machine always guy associated with the programmer. So our whole responsibility is how we are going to process. Yes, okay. The virtual machine acts as a runtime engine guy. Always keep in mind. So virtual machine also I can write it guy. Virtual machine. Virtual machine, right? Okay. The virtual machine acts as runtime guy. What? Acts as runtime engine guy. Act as a runtime engine to run get to run a particular programming language गए फिर गए application. Okay, guys. So one thing you should definitely keep in your mind. So the virtual machine is what? The virtual machine means the virtual machine acts as a runtime engine, guys. It acts as a runtime engine to run a particular programming language, just like Java, .NET, Parrot. Okay, I will explain everything one by one. Okay, the virtual machine acts as a runtime engine, guys, to run a particular programming language application. Good, guys. So guys, see, if we run Java programming, I will give some example, guys. Okay, you will come to know very easily, guys. So guys, example number one, guys, see, if we run Java programming, guys, I'm writing, guys, so you can remember forever. If we run, guys, what? Java programming, correct? Correct? If we run, guys, Java programming application, okay, if you are going to run the Java application programming, so guys, we need one, guys, virtual machine, right? We need one virtual machine. Exactly, we need one virtual machine, which is nothing, guys, which is nothing but it's, guys, JVM. Guys, such type definition you can't get in your, guys. What I'm going to explain, this is complete understanding, guys. So guys, if you done Java programming application, so we need one virtual machine, which nothing but it's JVM. Yes, okay, it's JVM, guys. Guys, second example, you can see, guys, see, PVM. What, guys? PVM, guys. So guys, that is JVM. First our JVM, correct? JVM, correct? Guys, next is what? PVM, guys. Suppose if I am going to tell you what is PVM, guys. So guys, that is Parrot, guys. Parrot based VM. Guys, VM. Guys, that is Parrot based VM. Acts as what? Runtime engine, guys. Acts as a runtime engine. You know what language, guys? A scripting language. It's just like a Java programming language. This guy run to use what? A scripting language, guys. What, guys? He used to deals with what? A scripting language. Okay. Same, guy, what we need to JVM, guy, for running the Java application, guy. So guy, Parrot based virtual machine act as a runtime engine, okay, to run a scripting language, the scripting language. Okay, that is a second example. Okay, then one more example, guy. Third example. So guys, see, suppose CLR, guys. CLR. What is, guys, CLR? So guys, CLR means common language runtime, guys. That is, guys, common language runtime, guys. Okay, common language runtime. What it does, guys? So guys, for .NET, guys, for .NET based application, guys, to run the .NET based application, guys. Application, what? You use CLR, guys. Okay, that is runtime engine, guys. So common language runtime is a runtime engine which is used to run our .NET based application. Great, guys. So guys, what we understood here? So I will show with one diagram, guys. Guys, you can see in such a way. So guys, see, suppose if you are going to use, guys, JVM here, right? JVM, right? Okay, suppose if you are going to use the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay, what it does, guys? So let's see what it does. I will tell you. Guys, suppose this is our what? This is our guy PVM. Suppose, okay, this is our guy PVM. Suppose PVM, correct? And guy last, let's suppose CLR, correct, guy? That is about CLR, correct, guy? So what all this virtual machine is doing here? What exactly is doing all the virtual machine here? So that is our Java based application. As a run engine, runtime engine, right? Guy, see this thing, guy. PVM is what? PVM means we will run our scripting language, through which we can run our scripting language. Get through CLR. This is also what? Runtime engine only. So due to which we can run our .NET application. Yes or no, guys? So what I mentioned here with JVM, guys, run Java based application, guys. Then this is what? Run with guy, what, guy? A scripting language. Okay. And guy, 30-hour virtual machine, that is CLR, to run with what, guy? .NET. Okay. Yes or no? So guys, I hope you understood. So guys, these all are the three types of application based or process based, software based virtual machine, due to which we are able to run respective application. So with the JVM, we are able to run the Java based application. To run Java based application, guy, with PVM, guy, that we can run a scripting language. With CLR, we can run with our .NET based application. Guy, this is complete information about virtual machine. So guys, you can see here what I mentioned here. So what is virtual machine? I've explained. What is the type of virtual machine? So I've explained one by one, both in depth, guys. So guys, if you'll come to know all this concept what I explained, so guys, you can explain very confidently the concept in front of interviewer or your guy knowledge sake. You will never forget if you remember all this concept. So guys, that's it. First part of our JVM architecture. I will continue one by one all the topic what I have shown you in our this what content. Okay, so next day, guys, I will explain what is basic architecture of JVM. I will draw one diagram, then explain corresponding all the components what we have in JVM architecture. So guys, that's it in this video, guys. Guys, definitely, if you like the video, guys, please like, share, subscribe my channel, guys, and share among your friends, guys. Share among your friend circle. Share among your family members, guys. So if you like the video, definitely, guys, the all concept will be very but helpful for you people if you are the Java developer, or when you're going to attend any interview, such type question may asked by the interviewer. So guys, if you know all this concept, you can explain the thing very confidently in front of interviewer. That's it, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. We'll meet very soon in next video.